Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do that, right-click on your desktop, select Personalize, select Background, and then you can personalize your background using either a single picture. You can choose the recent ones. For me, recent ones are default pictures by Microsoft. You can choose your own photo from a file explorer, and you can select a feed for your image. You can also select a solid color. This way, you can choose any color to be your background or wallpaper. There's not much to say about it. You can see it for yourself. You can select a slideshow and then select a folder from which you want to take photos for the slideshow. You can change the frequency of the picture change. You can shuffle the order of pictures in the folder so that they will appear randomly on your screen. You can also switch this toggle to let the slideshow run even if your laptop is running on battery power. And you can of course select a feed for each of your photos in the slideshow. And Windows Spotlight is the last option of the wallpaper for your PC, and it's basically just a random image by Microsoft which changes every once in a while, so you don't even have to take care of your wallpaper. Microsoft will do it for you. So go on with whatever you like the most. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.